Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I have a new product called Fusion, and it is odorless monomer that is UV LED cured, and it's by Mia's Secret. I got it on Amazon, so I'm gonna try it with some Mia's Secret Cover Nude Blush acrylic. I'm gonna try it with my Premium Nails clear. Okay, so I'm gonna take just a little bit and add it in this little shot glass, and it's the same color as traditional monomer. The most important thing you need to know about this monomer is you should put it in a container that is not see-through. I just have a tiny bit in here, so I'm not gonna really worry too much, but if I was gonna do a full set, I would have to have it in a container where you can seal it completely. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this one is, first of all, I'm gonna saturate. This is a new brush, and these brushes are really good. This is an alpha brush, and this is a number 10, and I have an affiliate code. Okay, so all right, so I'm gonna use my beautiful Cover Pink. Sorry guys, I ran out of room on my card, so I had to come back. Okay, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna put it in my lamp and cure it. So before I do that, I'm gonna take my brush, because it has some of the monomer in it. I'm gonna put it somewhere where it doesn't get exposed to UV light. So I'm gonna cure it for 90 seconds, and I'm not gonna work on this next one until my lamp is off, because again, I don't want to accidentally expose the monomer to UV light, UV LED. And that's the thing also. There have been some other systems where you use a UV light, which takes longer to cure, and you get heat spikes. I don't know if you'll get a heat spike with this. Oh yeah, it's warm, so you probably will. So you should use a gradual setting. So I'm going to apply some clear on this nail with the Mia's Secret UV LED monomer, odorless monomer, to see how well it works with a different brand. Yes, 90 seconds, and that is completely cured. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so now we're going to do this one, and again I'm going to take just a little bit of the monomer. Make sure I close it back up. Okay. All right. Open this up. That looks pretty good. I'm not going to use a lot on this one because I'm not building up the nail, I'm just Testing the monomer. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, again, before I put this in the light, I am going to wipe my brush, hide it from the light. And I'm gonna hide that also. All right, so here is the meal with the acrylic. And let's put it in the lamp. So here it is with the premium nails clear. And again, that was cured for 90 seconds, and that is completely hard. So that is really cool. Really, really cool. So there you go, guys. Try this out. This is, if you still work with acrylic, Mia Secret Fusion UV LED Monomer. And I recommend you curing this for at least 90 seconds, 2 minutes, just to make sure that you have a good cure. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified next time I upload another video. And that's it. Take care, everyone. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.